Hi, I recently bought this Comica microphone for my cell phone, and I want to give you a couple of close-ups and give you my review about it. This is the omni-directional microphone, which means it picks up the sound from all around the microphone. The connection to the microphone is USB-C, so you don't need to use any jack connection. You just plug it in straight to your phone. I have Galaxy S10e phone, so this will fit on the bottom of my phone. And the reason I bought this microphone is the one that I had before. Every single time I would start the recording, it would give me a really big spike of amplitude, and then I had to go and cut every single clip. This one doesn't give me those spikes of volume at the beginning of each recordings, and the clarity of the voice representation is really great. So this microphone will fit in any USB-C connection on your phone. The cable is 2.5 meters, super long. Of course you can make it shorter, so it is perfect for any occasion, any project. Microphone has this convenient clip, so you can clip it to your clothes. Microphone have a foam filter, and as you can see I'm using this microphone right now. And also because you have a 2.5 meter wire, you really can go far, and with this long cable you don't compromise your sound recordings. You still have it perfectly recorded at a distance if you need to get a wider shots. Also, I wanted to show you how the volume changes when I'm gonna be talking really close, and if I'm gonna be moving the microphone a little bit far away, which is at my arm's distance. You can hear the difference right now. Also, if I'm gonna rotate it in the opposite direction, you really shouldn't be able to hear any difference because the microphone is omnidirectional. So in summary, I really like this microphone. It's small, portable, has amazing clarity of the voice. It's really great microphone. USB-C connection, small, portable, great for vlogging and for any other projects. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.